Namaste. This is lecture of human anatomy and physiology, and we have started our unit first in previous lecture. Today we will discuss about type of organ system. So there are 11 type of organ system, and some organ system are given here which are more and most important. First is digestive system, respiratory system, circulatory system, skeleton system, muscular system, excretory system, nervous system, reproductive system. So first, systematic circulation supplies nourishment to all the tissues located throughout the body except for the heart and lung. In systemic circulation, it supplies nourishment, means the blood carry the nutritions to all the tissues located in the body. Next is skeleton system. So you can see the diagram here which is given here of the skeleton system. The skeleton system is rigid structure of bone which provide an anchor for the muscles, skin and protects vital organs. So the if skeleton system is not in our body, then what happened, this that you can see without skeleton system diagram and with skeleton system diagram. Next is the skeleton. The human body has 206 bone. As a adult, when you are born, you have 300 bones. Means जब ह्यूमन बॉडी, अभी जो ह्यूमन बॉडी है हमारे पास, उसमें 206 बोन्स होती हैं. बट जब एक बोन बेबी होता है, एक नॉटल बेबी होता है, उसमें मतलब जो बच्चा अभी जस्ट पैदा हुआ होता है उसमें सिर्फ 300 बोन्स होती हैं. ओवर 230 मूवेबल एंड सेमी मूवेबल जॉइंट इन योर बॉडी. 230 हमारे पास मूवेबल जो मूव करते हैं एंड सेमी मूवेबल जो कम मूव करते हैं, ऐसे जॉइंट्स प्रेजेंट हैं. बोन्स आर कनेक्टेड टू ईच अदर बाय लिगामेंट्स. बोन्स आर प्रोटेक्टेड बाय द स्केलेटन. द ब्रेन इज प्रोटेक्टेड बाय स्कल. The heart, liver and lungs are protected by the rib and sternum. Next is the skull. The skull or cranium is a protective cover of the brain and provides a structure for the face or head. The skull consists of 28 bones or vertebrae. The skull is made up of many bones that are closely fitted together. Arms. The arms consist of 3 main bones and 15 other little ones. So you can see that the 3 main bone and 15 other little bone. The spine. The spine has 33 vertebrae. The spine is not straight. The skeleton form an S shape. There are 3 main part of the spine: cervical, thoracic and lumbar. In the center of the spine is the spinal cord. Next is the hand. There are 27 bones and 5 fingers in each hand. The hand is very flexible with lot of joints. The thumb is the most flexible thanks to the saddle joint. Which are bone? What are bones and made up of? Bones are made up of calcium, minerals, salt, cells, and living parts of of your body. They are also made up of string-like material called collagen. Bones have a red and yellow tube called the marrow. The marrow is a tube that makes red blood cell to replace the destroy and worn out one. The marrow also store fat and sugar. An average 2.6 million red blood cells are made every second by the marrow. Next is rib cartilage. Rib cartilage, the spine and the sternum combine to make up the rib cartilage. Legs. The human leg consists of 8 bones, 4 per leg. The femur bone, the tibia bone, the fibula bone, the patella bone. So you can see here the bone: femur, patella, tibia, fibula. Femur is the longest bone in our body. What are the possible disease? You can see osteoporosis, ricket, arthritis. These are the common disease which can cause in the skeleton muscles. What is the strongest bone? Strongest bone is femur, provides strength and ability and solid bone. Most sensitive bones are hips, shoulder, spine, thighs, sternum and skull. Next, function of the muscular system. Function of the muscles. Movement. Muscles are important for movement, maintenance of posture and muscles, heat production, protect the bone and internal organ. Type of muscles: cardiac muscle, smooth muscle, skeleton muscle. Cardiac muscle only found in the heart. They never fatigue, so they continuously work. Smooth muscle, they fatigue but very slowly, so they help in circulation of the blood, so find in lining of the blood vessels. Okay, then skeleton muscles attached to the skeleton by tendons, cause movement of the bone at the joint. They also do fatigue. So these are the, you can see. Next is the excretory system, the product by which the unwanted substance and the metabolic waste are eliminated from the body. Various systems in the body are involved. Digestive system excreted food residue in the form of feces. Some bacteria and toxic substance also are excreted through feces. Lungs remove carbon dioxide and water vapor. Skin excrete water, salt and some waste. It also remove heat from the body. Liver excretes some many substances like bile, pigment, heavy metal, drug, toxic bacteria through bile. The renal system or urinary system is the one having maximum capacity of excretory function, and so it play the major role. So process of urinary system: kidney produce the urine, urethra transport the urine to urinary bladder store the urine until it is voided. Urine is voided from the bladder through urethra. So next is the skin. Skin is useful to maintain body temperature. Excessive heat is lost from the body through skin is radiation conduction. Sweat gland of the skin play an active part in the heat loss by the secretory sweat. Skin can excrete small quantity of waste material. So here we have completed this. Hope you like the video. For any query you can comment below. Thank you.